Yadav, Managing Director, joining in right now to talk about the double-digit top-line growth and steady quarter. Congratulations. It's definitely been a steady set of numbers, 12% growth in your top line. What has been the assessment on your end on the back of numbers?
Standalone businesses have done very well. Animal feed, oil palm plantation, crop protection business, standalone business has grown by about 12% top line and close to about 20% PBT. Animal feed business 19% volume growth, about 16% profit growth. In the oil palm plantation business, we have about 28% top line growth and about 70+% bottom line growth because of very good oil prices. In our crop protection business, we will have to remove the GST effect because GST was introduced in July. So last year numbers in the base carry excise and VAT, whereas this year numbers have GST, which is not counted in turnover. And if you remove that, we have grown about 6 to 7%, whereas profitability has grown by about 16%. In these businesses, we are with the growth is very good, it is sustainable, and we believe that we will do well as the year progresses.
So what traction are you seeing in the crop protection segment, and what are the project launches set out for the year?
So in crop protection business, there is nothing we have launched which is proprietary molecule or where we have some kind of a monopoly. There are certain generic launches which have happened in segments particularly where we were not present. However, having said that, I must tell you that the kind of secondary and tertiary sales we have seen in our crop protection business, so there is no risk of material coming back or not getting sold in spite of patchy monsoon. So I'm not worried on that. Aztec Life Sciences, I told you that over the course of the year, this revenue recognition noise will even out, and I am very sure the forthcoming quarters will be very good. One thing which I want to tell about this business is that a lot of times the orders get preponed and postponed depending on the climatic condition, and that we have to live with. That is why sometimes the story is distorted quarter on quarter.
Now your dairy business is getting increasingly competitive. What is the strategy for differentiating yourself? What kind of margins can we expect? What's the outlook?
Answering the first part of the question, I must tell you that we are a protein deficient country, and we believe that milk is the only protein source which can cater to this deficit, because 1300 million people are able to drink milk, whereas vegetarians don't take other animal protein. So we believe that milk will continue to grow. The organized sector is only less than about 1/4, so this will also grow. There will be a lot of category conversion which will continuously happen from unbranded loose milk to branded packed milk. However, having said that, I am very sure that this businesses cannot be like other food businesses with very high profitability. The profitabilities will always hover between 5 to 6% PBT on sales. But one of the advantages of this business will be that growth opportunities will be there, plus the return on capital employed will be very high. So this is what is our understanding of the business, and definitely we know that as the salience of value added segment grows in this business, the profitabilities will keep on improving. That's point one. Point two is, yes, there is a lot of traction in this business, lot of new players are coming. So we will see an era of consolidation in next 3 to 5 years, and we will see bigger companies emerging in this segment, because with low margins, I think the main focus will be improving efficiency, and scale is a very important determinant in efficiency and cost in this business.
What is the current Capex that's underway, and what are your investment plans for FY 19-20?
So currently more than 300 crores of Capex is under implementation. The 2 plants are just in commissioning stage. 170 crore oil mill in Andhra Pradesh, which will be commissioned by the end of this month, where another vegetarian value-added product in our Godrej Tyson business. This is a 70 crore plant in Ludhiana, which will be commissioned probably in the next month. Apart from that, there are several projects underway in animal feed business, and the dairy business. In the dairy business, we are constructing a new plant in Visakhapatnam.
Right. Thank you so much for joining in, and we wish you all the very best. It definitely has been a very remarkable quarter and the businesses are looking robust. The stock, though, is not taking heed, 2.5% down.